Hello, my correct and lovely people. Serious drama for inside kabiyesi's attorney and lawyers' chambers. Kabiyesi, his lawyer, was so shocked and surprised seeing Olori Ashley in his chambers. She came right into his office, causing huge scene, my people. Una remember, I brought you guys this say Olori Ashley, she said that kabiyesi must give her son a share of his properties. For those wey dey follow our proko and our gist, una go see am. And kabiyesi told Olori Ashley that he is not giving anything to her son, Prince Ademakiwa. That Ademakiwa has not been legitimately proven to be his son, both through the paternity test nor through the traditional verification and confirmation. So e no go like this carry his properties they give to his child that he isn't sure is truly his own. Olori Ashley come dey use her emotional blackmail on kabiyesi, saying that kabiyesi he should not forget that she has been very good to him. She has done a lot of things to cover up for him, being that she is the person that is doing anything, sacrifices, anything that has to do with traditional stuff on his behalf in the palace. That he should not forget all of her sacrifices, that he should not forget all that he has done for him in terms of performing even some sacrifices that she was not supposed to, but she did all of that for him to prove her loyalty and her love for him. But now he is denying her own child. Kabiyesi come tell am say, it is very simple. Carry your son, make we go do paternity. Go do traditional verification. If your son na my child, na him he be, I will definitely recognize him and give him share of my properties. But since you have refused to do that, nothing for your son. I can only give you something out of my properties as my own wife. But your own son, nothing at all at all. My lovely people, it was not a small matter. Now, Olori Ashley, out of annoyance, she left kabiyesi. We heard that she left his presence. And what did she do? That same yesterday, after she left kabiyesi, she went straight to his lawyer's chambers. She went to kabiyesi's attorney. She went to his lawyers. And she went there to cause huge scene because she told kabiyesi's lawyer that she has come to officially request and demand that she will be made power of attorney on behalf of kabiyesi. My people, kabiyesi's lawyer was shocked and surprised because he said kabiyesi did not communicate such to him, that if such thing should take place, that kabiyesi is supposed to come with her. If by chance he is not available, he would have put a call across to him, telling him this is what he wants, this is what he wants him to do for him, kabiyesi, whenever she comes. That kabiyesi would have told him about it. That he is hearing it for the very first time from her mouth, and he cannot do what she is asking of him. Well, for those who may not know what is power of attorney, according to what we saw on the online, power of attorney is, is a legitimate power or authority given to another person to act on behalf of another as regards to their health, their wealth, their access, their investment, their properties, everything that concerns that person, they will act on that person's behalf. So if, for example, let's assume that kabiyesi, if this is true, this is just an assumption, and Olori Ashley is made the power of attorney on behalf of kabiyesi. Guys, what it means is that Olori Ashley can make decisions for kabiyesi on his behalf over everything that concerns him, both his assets, his properties, everything. In most cases, when he is unable to do so, let's say, assume for example, maybe kabiyesi is sick or something happened and he is incapacitated and he cannot make some certain decisions, being that he is not in the right frame of mind, Olori Ashley will be the person that will step in and make the decisions on his behalf. So when they talk of power of attorney, my people, is even stronger than next of kin, according to what we heard, because they say power of attorney is has more official kind of, is more powerful officially. It is more recognized in the court of law than next of kin. So now she has come to the lawyer, kabiyesi's lawyer, say she is now going to be made the power of attorney on behalf of kabiyesi. Can you people imagine what this woman is requesting and demanding for? So that she can just pick a phone call and request the lawyer to do this on behalf of kabiyesi, and the lawyer will do it without asking questions. So can you people imagine? This woman is very, very manipulative. Well, for your information, Olori Ashley, the lawyer cannot do that without a go-ahead order from kabiyesi. It is kabiyesi that will tell the lawyer to do that. It is equally kabiyesi that will tell the lawyer how and when he wants that to take effect. So, your mission has already failed, Olori Ashley. You have failed once again. You want to take over kabiyesi's life. That is what it means. You want to take over everything that concerns him. You want to take over, you want to have access and control over his investment, his properties, over his access, over his money, everything that concerns kabiyesi. Because with that document, she can walk into the bank, my people, and do away with kabiyesi's money, and nothing is going to happen. That is how powerful that power of attorney is. Yes, that is how powerful it is. So, my wonderful and amazing people, before I will go on with this hot and spicy approach of waiting the sub for inside the palace of Ooni of Ife, I go first of all throw away una salute, una good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to una time. If this be the first time when una take dey see our channel, make una subscribe. Make una also turn on a notification bell on, so anytime when we drop another hot spicy approaches of waiting the sub for inside the palace of Ooni of Ife, now you go be the first person where this gist go land for inside your domot. So, my wonderful people, as it is right now, drop your own contribution inside the comment section. Make you equally give this video a thumbs up and share it. So, back to our gist, my wonderful people. Olori Ashley has failed. Yes, so her mission and plans has failed because she wants to have control over kabiyesi's assets, his wealth, his money, his, everything, properties, everything. But I wonder how she even conceived this thought and think that the lawyer would just do that without an order from kabiyesi. It's not possible now. So, my wonderful people, make una know say this update and gist is all alleged. I go see una for inside my next video. Una bye bye.